So we're going into 2023 and a lot of people are creating their New Year's resolutions. And on these New Year's resolutions, a lot of people have either number one, make a lot more money in 2023, or number two, find a better job in 2023, or three, they want to find a higher paying job. Some people want to find a remote job that pays them a lot more money, gives them a lot more flexibility and freedom. Some people want to be able to move to a different city, a different state, probably a different country where the cost of living is lower and the quality of life is higher, or probably somewhere where they can live on a budget with a luxury lifestyle. So either way, in 2023, a lot of people are going to be looking for remote work from home opportunities that pay them really well, where they can get a lot more freedom and they can make a lot of money. And I've actually been looking at a lot of work from home opportunities, and I never knew this before, but I notice now that there are actually a lot of work from home opportunities that can pay you like $60,000 to $80,000 per year and close to six figures. And they're also entry-level jobs that just about anyone can do. But the thing is, you have to know where to look to be able to find these jobs, or else you won't stumble across them, right? So I was looking for jobs again, and I came across another job. And by the way, you guys have been commenting and telling me how much you were able to earn maximum per hour or per year working remotely. And so I'm currently trying to find jobs that will pay you higher amounts, and I am successful. I'm finding jobs that pay more. So keep on commenting down below. Let me know the highest you've ever been paid per hour or per year working remotely, so I can go on to find jobs that will pay you more. Now, this company that I'm going to be talking about is an American-based company that I didn't know that had offices all around the world and hire people in many different countries. And by the way, just before I get into this company, just a quick reminder, if you guys are new here, my name is Eann. On this channel, I talk about ways to make money, ways to save money, ways to invest money, bank accounts, credit cards, everything to do with personal finance. So if you like these videos, if you like videos like these, you like the topics, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. It's 100% free, it won't cost you anything. Also, be sure to subscribe with notifications on. That way you won't miss the updates of when I post new videos. And if you guys ever want to talk to me one-on-one, you can message me on Instagram. The link is down below, or I'll leave it on the screen here. You can message me there. Feel free to DM me. I respond to all DMs. But with that said, let's jump right into this video of this company that's hiring remotely and that can pay you a lot of money. So the company that I want to talk about here is going to be American Express. And yes, this is American Express, the company that actually has all the good credit cards, which are mostly only used inside the US. And this is why I never thought that this company would be hiring anyone outside the US. Now, the first thing that I want you guys to see, and by the way, this is the career section of American Express. I'll leave the link down below so you guys can find it easily. But the first thing I want you guys to see here is this. Team Amex is 60,000 plus colleagues spread across over 110 countries all around the world. So American Express is in over 110 countries, meaning that wherever you are, wherever you're watching this video from, you should be able to find an opportunity here and you could get a job here. Now, the second thing I want you guys to see is this. In 2022, American Express was ranked number 8 for the top 100 best companies to work for in 2022. And that's actually a pretty big deal, because this means that most people that are employed here really like their job and they really love working for American Express. Now, there are two ways that you can get hired here. And before I even talk about that, let's look at the types of jobs. So they have on-site opportunities, they have hybrid opportunities, and they have virtual opportunities. The on-site opportunities are where you work, your regular 4 to 5 days per week in the office. And then hybrid is where you work a mix of online and from the office. So you could work from like 1 to 3 days in the office and then the rest at home. Virtual is where you're 100% remote. So they have job opportunities here and you can benefit from just any of these three opportunities. And by the way, American Express actually has offices in other countries, not just in the US. Now, there are two ways to get a job here. The first way is to upload your resume right here, and American Express will match you to jobs that they have postings for. So This will, be based on your experience and also your education. But if you want, you can go right here and you can click on find open jobs, and this will show you all the open jobs at American Express. And I checked this before, it was over 450 job openings. And here you can see entry-level jobs all the way up to management positions that are going to pay you anywhere from around $50,000 to over $100,000. Some of these jobs are paying close to $200,000 per year. And yes, some of these jobs that pay over $100,000 are jobs that you can get and work remotely, and you can also be outside the US. And I'll get into the jobs in just a bit. Now, the next thing that I want to look at is what American Express actually gives you. So we can go about Team Amex, and most of the jobs that I talk about here, online jobs, you can apply for them, you can get the job, you get paid. Most likely you'll be an independent contractor. So this means that you just simply get paid and nothing else. But with American Express, you actually get benefits. So you get stuff like medical, dental, vision, life insurance, disability. You get free access to global on-site healthy living wellness centers. You get 24/7 access to virtual doctors. You get free and confidential counseling services. If you have kids, they have child care and home care for even adult loved ones. And there are a lot of bonuses and incentives for working at American Express. So you're not just going to be a contractor where you just simply get paid with no benefits. You actually get benefits working here. Now, they also have jobs that are suited for people like work-at-home moms and also students. If you're a student in the US, the UK, or India, especially those three countries, then they have positions here that are for you. Now, let's go ahead and look at some of the actual jobs that are here at American Express. And like I said before, this is a mix of jobs. So here we can see they have jobs in New York, in Arizona. They got jobs in India, jobs in the Philippines. There are a bunch of different countries, but most of you guys are interested in work from home opportunities. So what you could do is you simply just type remote right here for your location, or a different location depending on where you're at, but let's use remote for the purpose of this video. And here it's gonna give you all the remote positions that are currently open. Now, before, the total amount of job openings here was about 452, I think. Now we have 12 remote positions open at the time of making this video, and this will change day to day. But right now they have jobs available in the Netherlands, in New York, and other countries. And again, some of these jobs are remote, so you could apply for a job in New York, you could get a job, but that doesn't actually mean that you need to be living in New York. Now, to give you guys an idea of how much you can make here, let's look at some of these jobs. So for example, we got a credit analyst here, we got a senior manager, we have a senior design manager, we have a customer care professional. So what I want to do is I want to go over to Indeed and look, or not Indeed, let's go over to Glassdoor and look at American Express. So here we can see that American Express has a bunch of jobs. And actually, before we do that, let's look at an overview of American Express, see what the company is ranked at in terms of like entire reviews. So here we can see, again, best workplaces for parents in 2022. American Express was ranked number 4. So people actually love working here. But overall, American Express gets a 4.2 rating out of 5. And most of the companies that I talk about, they usually don't make it to a 4-star. If a company is really good and the employees have a lot of good things to say, usually it's gonna be like a 3.6 or a 3.7 stars out of 5. So the fact that American Express has made it to over 4 stars means that a lot of people actually love working for this company. If you have any experience working here before, or you currently work here, comment down below, let me know what it's like, because it seems that people really love working for American Express. So now let's go over to salaries and take a look at what the jobs are paying. And so if we scroll here, we can see, for example, their jobs that pay 6 figures. Let's try to find one of those jobs that we saw that was actually posted right now. And for example, this one was their customer care professional. This pays anywhere from $52,000 to $79,000 per year, on average around $63,000. Customer service representative here, $36,000 to $49,000, on average $41,000. Again, I say this all the time, I'll mention it again, the average person, average single person in the US makes around $37,000, or not average, but the median income for a single person in the US right now is $37,000. So if you're making $40,000 and over, and you're able to work remotely, it's gonna be a really good deal. Now you can scroll and look at some other jobs here. They got a bunch of jobs here that you can look at the salaries, but a lot of these jobs are paying well into 6 figures, or if not into 6 figures, they're getting very close to it. So as you can see from the reported salaries here, American Express does pay fairly well. So all in all, I think this is a very good opportunity for anyone that wants to work remotely online, or maybe you want a hybrid opportunity where you can work out of an office maybe 3 days per week and spend some more time working from home. American Express has a lot of jobs. If you are in the US, then that is great because there are a lot more opportunities in the US. But if you're outside of the US, then you can still get jobs at American Express. And you guys saw the reviews. People really like working at this company. High rankings at number 4 for parents working at home, and a number 8 for best places to work in 2022. So this is a really good company to work for, and I think that you guys should go ahead and either upload your resume, get matched for a job. If you are a beginner, you've never worked a job before, maybe you have a limited experience, then maybe you want to go ahead and scan all the posted jobs and apply for jobs that you think you can do, especially the jobs that don't require a ton of experience. And that way you can get in here. But comment down below, let me know what you think about American Express. Is this something that you'll be applying for? And before I go, as I always mention in these videos, if you guys have been working remotely and you've been making a certain amount of money per hour or per year, comment down below so I know how much is, the maximum you've ever been able to earn per hour or per year working remotely. So I can then take that info and go try to find jobs that will pay you more money. I'll then make videos on these jobs, and then I'll post these videos so you guys can see what opportunities there are out there, because there are a lot of work from home opportunities, but if you don't know where to look, you probably won't ever find them. So I'll go ahead, find all these jobs, post videos. Just let me know the maximum you've ever been able to earn working from home. So with that said, I hope someone can take advantage of this opportunity, make some money here, and all the best with your job search. And I'll see you guys very soon in the next one.